Hi, I'm Jessica Tompane, and I am principal and owner of J Hill Interiors here in Coronado, California. And I am at me and my husband's personal new construction home build, also here in Coronado, California. So the background of this project is we bought this lot, and it's a 6,000 square foot lot, and it had an existing 1,000 square foot home on it. Just a classic old Palmer home. Once we knew we were going to do this build, we hired Flag Coastal Homes, who are also local to Coronado, California, and they're known for their beautiful coastal Cape Cod looking homes. Why we're here today is I thought it'd be really fun and interesting to take y'all on the journey of our personal home build. Something that I'm really excited to show you about this home is how we've incorporated some elements to make the home our own aesthetic, but also it's going to be quite eclectic. The first being the Gothic arches that you'll see throughout the home. So here we are in the entry as well as the stairwell. And so something that you'll see is a really oversized pendant that we're gonna hang from the apex of the ceiling. As we're walking through, everywhere we wanted to create really defined terminations and hallways. So here is a perfect example of a wall that you see when you walk in, but it can be an art wall. The second is the use of Mexican-inspired cement tiles that you'll see on the bathroom floors and backsplashes. This is a bathroom that I did spend a lot of time on just because it's probably gonna be the most used bathroom. The third is the use of color, so a lot of warm colors throughout the home. I love the richness of reds and oranges. For example, in the kitchen, typically with clients, I'll do a neutral island or I'll do a blue island. Well, here we're gonna do a red island. So that'll be really fun and give the kitchen a lot of life. Anytime I use warm colors, I offset it with a lot of neutrals because you don't want it to be overpowering. So you'll see that. You'll see a really good balance throughout the home. And then the fourth, I would say, is a mix of old and new furnishings and textiles throughout the home. This is actually going to be the master bedroom. And so this is the Gothic windows I was kind of telling you about that are really shown on the facade of the home, the front facade of the home. And then in the master, as in all the bedrooms upstairs, we have these vaulted ceilings to really accentuate the height and to give it a really dynamic element. Know that you can incorporate whatever elements you want, or if you like certain architectural elements or inspirations from different eras or cultures, there's no reason why you can't incorporate that into your own home. Of course, there's an art to it, and that is one of the values of hiring an interior designer. Also, something we've learned throughout this build process is just the importance of finding a good builder, good project manager, as well as good subcontractors. Luckily, we kind of knew that going into the house build, and so we decided to hire the builder that we did just because of his reputation and his expertise and his knowledge. You know, we're known for our timeless aesthetics and the ability to layer textures and colors and patterns and even different eras or styles. And so as you walk through this house, as you go through this house, I think you really see that. Another reason why I wanted to showcase this project is because I feel like it really epitomizes what we do often for our clients. Most of our clients, they do not want their home to feel ostentatious. They don't want people to walk in and be intimidated by their home. And I feel like our home really does that. So the two main factors that I tell people to consider when hiring an interior designer are, number one, make sure that you like their design work. If you go on our portfolio, you will see that it is very diverse. We can do anything from contemporary to Spanish to East Coast traditional. This home is a really solid example of how we can even blend all of those styles into one home. J Hill Interiors can do any style. Keep in mind that that is our job to make the client's vision come to life. And if you don't have a vision, we can help you find that.